Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 7. Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will be start in 5 seconds. Some people talk rather loosely and, if I may say so, rather foolishly of India becoming the leader of this or the leader of that or the leader of Asia. Stop. Now I do not like that at all. Stop. It is a bad approach, this business of leadership. Stop. But it is true that because of the various factors I have mentioned, a certain special responsibility is cast on India. Stop. India realizes it and other countries realize it also. Stop. The responsibility is not necessarily for leadership but for taking the initiative sometimes and helping others to cooperate. Stop. Now, foreign policy is normally something which develops gradually. Stop. Apart from certain theoretical propositions we may lay down, it is a thing which, if it is real, has some relation, actuality, and not merely to pure theory. Stop. Therefore, we cannot preciously lay down our general outlook or general approach, but gradually it develops. Stop. We are, as an independent country, a fairly young country at present, although we are a very ancient country and we have all the advantages and disadvantages of being an ancient country. Stop. Nevertheless, in the present context of foreign policy, we are a young country and therefore our foreign policy is gradually developing and there is no particular reason why we should rush in all over the place and do something that comes in the way of this gradual development. Stop. As I said, our general policy has been to try to cultivate friendly relations with all countries, but that is something which anyone can say. Stop. It is not a very helpful thought. Stop. It is almost outside, if I may say so, of politics. Stop. It may be just a verbal statement or a moral urge. Stop. It is hardly a political urge. Stop. Nevertheless, something can be said for it even on the political plan. Stop. We cannot perhaps be friendly always with every country. Stop. The alternative is to become very friendly with some and hostile to others. Stop. That is the normal foreign policy of a country, very friendly with close relations with some, with the consequence that you are hostile to others. Stop. You may be very friendly to some countries and you cannot just be equally friendly with all countries. Stop. Naturally, you are more friendly with those with whom you have closer relations, but that great friendliness is good, but if it merely reflects hostility to some other country, then it is something different. Stop.